What in your country you like to eat, Pothik?
Yeah, in my country,
Is
like
that,
we love to eat a biryani, which is made of chicken and rice.
it's what it mean?
Chicken and rice.
I see. I see. Yeah, it's good. Chicken, rice. I like when if it's rice, I like a lot of sauce with chicken, a
Sauce.
lot of
Yeah, yeah,
sauce.
sauce. Also,
One
we have.
time when I was in United States, we are south. Yeah. One time when I go in United States, we go in. It's like a strawberry festival. It's in Tampa. It's in the Florida state, and we eat some Indian food. It's like in stage like this. It was with poashish. I don't know poashish. A lot of sauce of tomato, vegetable, and parsley, and with pita,
Pita. Pita.
thin bread in Indian.
Pita.
It's interesting. Yeah. It was interesting. Yes, thank you. It was very interesting experience, and I was enjoyed this food. And here in my city, in every morning in Sunday, it has a market, and people cook something in the solid. You can buy some vegetable, fruit, some true, some things about like farmer who make it from farm, and it's some people of India also make some food. It's like roll inside. It's like pomme de terre, potato with some vegetable inside, and it's very interesting, but little bit spicy. It's a little bit spicy, and it's okay. Not too bad. I like it. Yes.
So you're a big fan of Indian food, maybe.
Yes, some where it's not too spicy. Yes, I like it. Some Indian food. Yes, with chicken, rice. It's interesting. Some yes, I like every country food. I like Korean food, something from Thailand. I go in restaurant. Japanese food, Japanese. Yes. I don't know. It's interesting. Make some experience with kitchen, with culture. I like it. Discover something new. It's good. And you, what you prefer? Do you eat something from another country? What you like?
Yeah, yeah. You know, in my country, we have many Chinese restaurants.
What?
So I have tried Chinese food such as hot pot, kung pao chicken. Okay. Sometimes like I love to eat spicy food. Spicy, but not too much. Moderate.
I see. Yeah. Not too much of. I see.
And
But from just Chinese or another you taste?
especially Chinese, but also I have tried Indian food. I have tried Indian food.
But what do you like?
I love especially
Do
biryani.
you try sushi or something?
Sushi is like a Chinese, maybe.
I see.
Am I right?
Yeah, I like sushi. My daughter, she's like sushi also. Yes, I like sushi, but not every day. Sometimes, but it's okay. I like you know it's ginger
Ginger.
marinated ginger.
Ginger,
I
ginger.
like ginger.
Yeah.
Yes.
Especially I love sweet food, sweet meal.
Sweet. Yes. You know, it's some dessert is called the mochi.
Yeah, yeah.
It's rice flavor, and inside is from red beans, but from red beans sweet. It's like a traditional some dessert also from Asia people. I don't know.
Like if you eat a sweet thing, you will be sweeter.
I like this sound. Yeah, sometimes I eat just a little bit
It's
sweet,
like
but not a lot. If you eat something sweet, not a lot. It's not good for health.
but be careful. If you eat too much like a sweet thing, you will be a diabetes patient. Diabetic
Yes,
patient.
yes, yes, it's true. No, no, I don't eat it much. I don't eat much. Just a little bit in weekend, maybe. Just a little with coffee, something.
Yeah.